Hello, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to paint this super simple Northern Lights painting. I'm going to be using acrylic paint for this Northern Lights scene. So I'm going to start by mixing out my colors first. I'm making this green color, then I'm going to blend it together with this dark blue. And make sure to leave a little bit of space on the bottom for black, and the black on the bottom is going to be like the ground. And I'm going to continue blending the two colors. And make sure to always do the background first, then work your way towards the foreground. Make sure to leave like 2 times as much bottom color, and in this case my bottom color is green. Do 2 times as much green than blue, because the green, half of the green is going to be covered up by the trees. But now I'm going to blend in the purple, and I'm kind of doing it diagonally. I'm going to take my brush and like stroke it diagonally like this. You can do it like straight or up and down, vertical, any way that you want your Northern Lights to go. Now that I'm done with my ombre background, I'm going to, you know the white space we left on the bottom? I'm going to paint that white space black. As I told you, it's going to be the ground. I could use a light brown or gray, but the darker the color, the better. I'm going to get a toothbrush and dip it in white paint, but not too much white paint, and I'm going to like flick it with my fingers to create this star effect. Once I'm done painting the ground black, I'm going to take a paintbrush. It's probably better if you use a fan brush, but I like to use a regular brush that has a flat tip, and I'm going to like draw a streak. Not too long or not too short. This is going to be a tree trunk, and I'm gonna like go side to side, and when you reach the bottom, it should be much thicker than the top of the tree to make that kind of tree effect. Depending on how many trees you want and how big you want the trees, you can make it shorter or thinner, some longer, some shorter, and some the same size. And dab the trees a little to give it more texture. And this is the final product. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to paint the Northern Lights. Thank you for watching. Bye.